Hey guys, this is Mr. Steve, and I wanted to show you how to make a super simple snowflake so that over the holiday season you can show your friends, your cousins, your grandma, your Aunt Beverly, just whoever's around, you can show them how to make super simple and really cool looking snowflakes. Now, snowflakes are a great way to decorate your house for the holidays. You can put them on a string and hang them up in the house somewhere. I personally like to just put a little piece of tape on them and tape them on a window. And when you do that, the sun shines through the window and it kind of looks like snow outside. These are incredibly easy to make, so I'm going to quickly show you how to do that. All you need is a pair of scissors, a little pencil, and several pieces of just regular old printer paper. So, the super simple fold is this. Take your piece of paper, fold it in half. Be sure to take a moment to match the corners up really nicely. Crease it. Fold it in half again so it makes a little book. Okay? Now this is the only part that's even a little bit tricky, and it's really not. And I actually teach kids that are 5 and 6 years old how to do this. The only thing that keeps your snowflake from being a circle, because let's face it, in nature there are not many square snowflakes. The only thing that's keeping it from being a circle are these 4 pesky corners, right? So we want to get rid of those. The easiest way to do that is after you folded your paper in half 2 times, you want to know where the center is and where the corners are. So, easiest way to do that is gently open it up. Keep an eye on it. Here's the center, okay? Fold it over. Center's still right here. Fold it again. Center is here. So what I have kids do is rotate it around, put a little X where you know the center of your snowflake is going to be, and then point that X. Rotate your paper so that it's pointing back at your belly button, back at your tummy. So then, if I keep this oriented towards my stomach, I've got folds over here, so I know that's not going to be the corners I need to get rid of. I've got some folds over here in the paper, which I think you can see. So if I go straight through the middle, out the other side, over here you will find those 4 pesky corners that we want to get rid of. So I tell my kids, here's the center. There are those 4 pesky corners, and those corners are making me so sad. I want to get rid of them. So I touch the edge of my paper here, and I do a big sad face over to the other side. Some of my kids pointed out to me today that this could actually very easily look like a frog. So maybe you can call it a frog face, you can call it a sad face, whichever. But draw from one side out and over, a big arc or a big sad face from one side over to the other, and watch this. From that point, all you do is cut along your sad face, and when you do that, you've just removed all 4 of these pesky corners, right? So you can get rid of those. See ya! And you're left with this cool shape that when you unfold it, either is a circle or an oval, but something that's far more snowflake-like than a rectangular or square piece of paper. So, fold this back up. You still know this is your center. You've got 1, 2, 3 sides, and you can cut towards the center from all 3 of these sides. The only thing you don't want to do is end up cutting off this whole fold, because your paper, your snowflake, will fall into 2 pieces, and you don't want to cut all the way across here, because your snowflake will fall into 2 pieces. So watch this. I like to do a combination of some big cuts and some little cuts. And you can do, I don't know, triangles, you can do half circles, you can, I'm going to cut off on this side now, you can get kind of wiggly woggly crazy with it. And one of the great things about snowflakes is you never know what you're going to get. There's always kind of an element of mystery at the end when you unfold it. So I'm going to do a little cut here. So check this out. I've only made like 4 or 5 different cuts, and when you open it up, I've just made this groovy, cool snowflake. Now, do you see this spot in the middle? Oh, that's the sweet spot right there. That's right in the middle of everything. So as good as this looks, we can make it look even better. I'm gonna gently fold it back up. And now, right where the center is, watch this. I'm going to do a little triangle. Just one little triangle in there. That's it, just one. And watch what it does. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't that cool? So I've just added this gorgeous star into the middle. And of course, if you wanted to, you could add even more cuts, larger cuts, smaller cuts. And the more you work on this, you're allowed to sneak a peek at it anytime you want, but come back in and fold some more and cut some more, or really just cut some more. Let's see what we have here. There we go. There's our snowflake. Totally simple. The trick is to know where the center is, make a little X mark, point it towards your belly, and remove those pesky corners. I hope this helps, and go sit down with some friends and family and spend some quality time making snowflakes. Thanks, you guys. Bye.